In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for research. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where all of your notebooks live, and it is the starting point for creating a new space for a specific project or topic. Next, create a fresh notebook. Look for the button that says Create New and click it. Think of a notebook as a dedicated research workspace. Keeping separate notebooks for different topics helps you stay organized and makes the answers more accurate, since the tool will focus on the sources you add to that specific notebook. Now it is time to upload your sources. After you create the notebook, a pop-up will guide you to add materials. Choose the sources you want Notebooklm to reference, such as PDF documents, YouTube links, or files from your cloud storage. As you add items, they will appear in the source panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is important because it shows exactly what information Notebooklm can use when it responds. A helpful tip is to only include high-quality, relevant sources because your results will reflect what you provide. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you ask questions. Type a clear research question, and Notebooklm will generate an answer based on your uploaded materials. As you read the response, pay attention to the clickable citations. These citations let you jump directly to the supporting passage in your sources, which is useful for verifying details and collecting quotes for your notes. When you want ready-to-use outputs, go to the Studio panel on the right. From there, you can click options like Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant summaries and presentations based on your sources. These tools are especially helpful when you need to review a topic quickly or turn research into a shareable format. As you work, save important information. On each answer, click Save to Note to store it in your notebook. This keeps your key findings in one place, so you can build a clear research trail as you go. Once everything is set up, Notebooklm can support your research by answering questions grounded in the sources you provided. That covers everything you need to know.